Tom, it's been some event today, hasn't it? Have you been pleased with the outcome?
I've been very pleased with the outcome. We had over 300 guests here today from every industry and application in UK manufacturing, from huge companies right down to small little jobbing shops around the corner, so I'm extremely pleased.
And you did a great presentation. Can you give us some of the highlights for our viewers?
I think we at FANUC see that there is going to be a huge uptake in UK manufacturing. The signs are already there. It is happening. UK manufacturing is waking up to the fact that they need to automate. Our inquiry level is rising on a daily basis, and we needed a facility that was 4 times larger than the previous facility. A few years ago, FANUC decided to incorporate all of its products into one FANUC. So now we can do automation systems with robots and robo-drills, robots and robo-cuts. We can use CNC products to control stuff around the systems. And that synergy of products gives us a huge advantage in that we can do full turnkey systems. So it's our intention to go from, as I said earlier on, I think we're already the best UK system house. We can now be the biggest and best. We can grow to those bigger size systems. We have a facility now where we can do the larger systems to incorporate.
And that integration of the 3-to-1, how much of an impact has that had on sales thus far?
I mean, in the UK business, we've pretty much doubled business in the last 4 years. So from 2012 to 2016, if you took the 3 companies before they were joined together till last year's numbers, it pretty much doubled in size over those 4 years. And the plan is to do the same in the next 4.
A lot of our viewers are small to medium-sized companies. FANUC is a huge name with a lot of products. You've got a lot of equipment manufacturers and companies that employ kind of 200 plus people. What would be your message to the smaller manufacturer about using your plant and automation? I
think the target market for most of our automation is that size customer. We have very few of the massive customers in the UK. I mean, everybody knows the automotive sector and judges it on that, and that is not where our product is. Our product is in every type of manufacturing system. Most of the systems that we will sell the non-robots to are in the smaller system areas, the smaller businesses. Most of our robots actually go to small to medium-sized companies as well, and that is where the real advantage of our product will be. It's not in the big companies.
And we've mentioned how the business has grown. What's kind of your take on the post-BREXIT economy then, now in UK manufacturing and going forward after the election?
I think I see a lot of confidence. Wherever I go, people are confident of what's going to happen. I think I said it downstairs as well. Britain has always punched well above its weight, regardless of what's gone on through history. It's happened time and time again. I mean, these islands have punched so far above its weight through history, and we will continue to do it. There is world-class people in this country, world-class engineering, manufacturing, innovation. When you think some of the inventors that have come out, we have everything we need here. We just need the confidence to put it into the manufacturing sector, and that's what's happening.
I love the investment in R&D here as well. Not only that, you've also made a provision so that you can grow this facility by, is it 25%?
25%. I mean, it's 4 times larger than it was last week. And we have the facility to grow by 25% more. I think we will be using it in the next few years. I think we are that confident that stuff is going to happen over here. I think I was in an awards dinner in London, and everybody was that confident. It just has to happen. Whatever the result, it doesn't matter what your politics were and whether it should have happened or not. It's happened. It's going to happen. And we're going to make it work.
And finally, technically, industry for Internet of Things. FANUC, where do you think the business is positioned in amongst your peers and competitors when it comes to those types of things?
FANUC is spending a huge amount of time and money in Japan on developing an awful lot of products. And they're developing it in a route that we feel is necessary to go from the shop floor up and make it work. FANUC will continue to do that development. FANUC has as many research and development engineers working in FANUC Japan as they have in any other sector of the business over there. Research and cutting edge technology is where we're always going to stay, so we will always be developing that.
We've spoken to your customers today and they seem to concur, so thanks for your time, Tom.
No problem. Thank you very much.